Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this problem, which is problem of the day, minimum integer. So in this problem, we are given an array of size n, and we first have to evaluate the sum of the array elements and the check that the find out the minimum integer x, which is present in this array itself, and such that n multiplied by x is just greater than or equals to s. So let us understand the problem statement from the test case. So in the first test case, we have n equals 3, and the array elements are 1, 3, and 2. 1, 3, and 2. So first of all, we have to calculate the sum. So sum, what would be the sum? We can iterate through the for loop and add each elements of this array, and the sum would be 6. So now we have to check what is the minimum array element present in this array, which is just which gets multiplied with n to get the result of 6 or greater than 6. So how are we going to do that? We have to again iterate through the array and check. So 3 multiplied by 1, is it greater than or equals to 6? Nope. So this element won't be considered. Let us moving on to the next element, which is 3. So we check 3 multiplied by 3. Is it greater than or equals to 6? This is nothing but 9. And yeah, we will consider this one, this element, because it is greater than 6. Now let us check for the last element, which is 2. So 3 multiplied by 2, which is yes, equals to 6. So yeah, we will be considering this element too. So out of these two, we have to find the minimum integer. As you can see in the question itself, it is given that we are required to find out the minimum integer x. X is nothing but the array element. So we have to find out the minimum array element such that which gets multiplied with the n, which is size of array, to get the the corresponding output, the required output, which is just greater than or equals to. All right. So let us find the sum. And again, yeah, we are from the given constraints, we know that if we use int, so we would be facing an integer overflow. So in this case, we will be using long data type. So long sum equals 0. We will, we will be first creating to the array in order to calculate the sum. Plus plus sum plus equals say of I. And again, now we need to declare an minimum integer max. And I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. And we just have to put this condition s, s which is nothing but sum is less than or equals to, and multiplied by x is nothing but our array element. So yeah, if this is so, we will consider this and we will compare, we'll, we will store it in our minimum, but we only have to store the minimum array element, right? From the 3 and 2, from 3 and 2, we will considering only the second. So we are finding out the the minimum element of these two. So yeah, how are we going to do it? We will be using the minimum function, minimum of the minimum element and the array element. So yeah, and we will be at last returning the minimum element. And yeah, while multiplying n multiplied by array element, we will, in this case, we will be facing integer overflow. So yeah, let's make it long. You can try, you will face it. I'm telling you. So yeah, let's submit our code. So yeah, we have passed all test cases. If you have any doubt, please post it in the comment section. I will try to resolve it.